What's up guys? This is Neelaksh. Today I will discuss some daily use English sentences which will help you in improving your spoken English. So let's get started. तुम साबित क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to prove? What do you want to prove? गलती किसी से भी हो सकती है. Anyone can make a mistake. Anyone can make a mistake. यह तो उससे भी गया गुजरा है. This is even worse than that. This is even worse than that. आपका काम हो जाएगा. Your work will be done. Your work will be done. थोड़ी देर और ठहरिए. Please stay a little bit longer. Please stay a little bit longer. सच कहूँ तो मुझे नहीं पता. To be honest, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. अब देख मैं क्या करता हूँ. Just wait and watch what I do. Just wait and watch what I do. चाहे जो हो जाए मैं जाऊँगा. Come what may, I will go. Come what may, I will go. वह आसानी से मान गया. He gave in easily. He gave in easily. बस कुछ दिनों की बात है. It is a matter of a few days. It is a matter of a few days. वह क्या करता है? What does he do? What does he do? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? इसके अलावा कोई चारा नहीं था. There was no other option. There was no other option. उसने अपने सपने साकार किए. He fulfilled his dreams. He fulfilled his dreams. जो हुआ उसे भूल जाओ. Forget whatever happened. Forget whatever happened. इतना गुस्सा अच्छी बात नहीं है. Getting this much angry is not a good thing. Getting this much angry is not a good thing. जितना है उसमें खुश रहो. Be happy with what you have. Be happy with what you have. मैंने उसकी आवाज़ पहचान ली. I recognized his voice. I recognized his voice. तुमने तो सारी हद पार कर दी है. You have crossed all the limits. You have crossed all the limits. मैं तुम्हारा साथ नहीं दे सकता. I can't support you. I can't support you. काम की बात पर आओ. Come to the point. Come to the point. मुझे वह बहुत दिलचस्प आदमी लगा. I found him a very interesting person. I found him a very interesting person. तुम हमेशा मुसीबत खड़ी कर देते हो. You always create problem. You always create problem. क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? मैं आपकी क्या सहायता कर सकता हूँ? How may I help you? How may I help you? वह किसी से कम नहीं है. He is not less than anyone else. He is not less than anyone else. अपनी जुबान को लगाम दो. Mind your language. Mind your language. घर पर सब कैसे हैं? How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home?